Very cool. 3D printer. Yes,
La la
yes.
la. Yuppie. La 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 la. Ah! 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 What the fuck? Ah! Help me! I'm burning! Ah!
Hey, hello. How are you, man?
Not you again! Help me, idiot! Ah!
Oh my god! You killed a person!
Oh shit! Alright.
I'm calling the police.
Oh no! Don't cheese! Ah!
Sup, guys?
Oh,
Ah!
hi.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
What is wrong?
Do you not see? Ah!
Oh, that's a dead person. Cool.
I am still burning!
What he said?
He said that it was burning.
Oh,
Ah! Help me!
unfortunately, I have to arrest you for murder.
You're wrong, officer. There's no dead person here.
Oh, I'm alive.
Cool.
Oh wait, can you check my fire? I burning!
Unfortunately, I can't extinguish your fire, but I know someone that can. What up, son? Hey, bro, wanna help me out here? Sure.
Oh my god! It worked!
It's because the real catastrophe was the fire we made along the way.
I don't know. I see a man burning, then another man saying the fire the friends the other way. What the fuck is this mean?